Hello everyone! Yes guys, happy Thursday guys. I'm here in the Church of Basilica di Santo Niño. I'm coming back here guys to have do some prayer before I'm going back to abroad. So it's a lucky time because there is a mass. So thankful din ako guys. It's a grateful day because na ay a mass guys na ay nagka ano ko guys, nag-communion ko guys na hindi ko na in-expect na may communion. So it's very honor for me to have this because it's just a long time na may communion. So happy time guys and Jimin and magiging tayo na pasalamat ni God. Mahingi tayo ng isang thankful na sa mga blessing na binigay niya. So there is a time na we need to respect the Lord because going back to abroad I need to ask permission na coming back to traveling and putting things around, and it's my pleasure that I have here today. So I hope guys mawala na yung rasing sa voice ko in Papa Jesus. So I'm very happy. So yung ano guys, yung kwintas ko, tinanggal ko para mablisingan kasi matagal na yung nablisingan. So I have my baptism blessing some of things, the special things. So as you can see guys, today there's a lot of people. So nakita nyo guys yung necklace ko na with my body cross. So tinanggal ko yun para mablisingan uli kasi may mass. So it's a big honor for me to have this because there is no baptism in Australia. Walay ano guys na yung mga mga cross mo, mga rosary, nag-ano sila guys ng may blessing ba. So it's big opportunity to have this. So look at that power, the Father, so the praise. So it's wonderful today guys. Hindi ko na-expect na may mass. So thankful na rin ako guys na naka-ano ako na holy water sa sarili ko. It's very very helpful to have a good health. Sinuot ko na yung fitness ko guys. Binalik ko na yung necklace ko na tapos na nag-blessing. So nag-blessing na naman to pero there's a long time na. So it's a big honor for me. So ako lang mag-isa dito napunta guys. But ayun na guys, marami na bang tao. So Santo Niño Church guys. So nagsimba ko guys kay Holy Thursday na, Holy Tuesday ron guys kasi nagbisita ako ni Santo Niño bago ako umalis kasi malarga na ako karong Thursday guys, matagal na rin ako makapunta dito. So yeah, church sa Basilica di Cebu. Ayan guys, maraming tao dito sa church. See, maraming mga disciple ni Santo Niño.